set up. And you want to do which stage you want to do?
One that's not annoying.
We'll do stagecoach. It moves. Okay. You guys are just start shooting when you're ready. Ready, go.
Ah!
Yep. Yes, the bullets will ricochet off the wall.
You can get more practice later.
Wait, I don't know.
I mean, I live with you now.
You can go fuck yourself.
Shit.
Sorry.
Yeah!
Fuck myself.
Hey, Ron, this one for real?
Yeah, this is the for realsies.
Ah.
Bitch.
Ryan out.
Oh!
Fucked up. You late today?
Oh, well.
Wait, what's this?
Ah.
7?
Oh, it's getting heated.
Oh shit.
It's getting heated.
Peter's winning 2-4 though. It's close. Boom boom.
Balls in my face.
Oh. I'm leaving for now. What's the total?
7.
7?
Look at Dave.
Damn it.
That was nice.
Peter run one.
Peter, alright. Let's stop with you and me, Ryan. Oh, I have to hit you have to hit the B button. There we go. Now we're playing.
No, man, it's
We're going for real. We played this game.
For real.
wasting time.
Oh shoot!
Oh!
Oh,
Oh! Get some fucking road.
Oh! He's kicking my butt! I haven't played this game a lot. I have not played I have not played this game a lot.
Oh, man.
It's okay. Oh my god! Oh, we have a route.
Oh, you see that? Oh, you got it.
No, I ain't gonna do. We ain't going out. We ain't going out like that.
It's like you're still.
No! 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 No!
Oh!
Oh,
I thought I got hit.
Damn! Who's up next?
Man,
Matt Luke.
Can't believe I just have a ass handed to me like that.
This one?
This right here. You guys know how to play?
Yeah.
You guys been practicing?
Sure.
We get two. It takes 2 hits to kill you. So
How many are we playing so?
7.
Damn. Yeah.
Oh
That's close for me.
Matt's picking up on this game pretty quick. Yeah, I'm getting
Sorry, I'm not trying to outright just kick the shit out of you, but you might come back.
Oh
It's gonna be
shit!
7-0.
Sorry about that.
Destroyed him.
On that one too. No, we did that on remember what happened? We did that on
Okay, now this is real shit.
Alright, hold on. Beer.
What the man beer?
It won't start until one of you hits the B button. Once music stops, that's it.
I had to try.
That's that killer attitude.
Oh
No!
no! I don't know.
Go!
No!
Ain't nobody! This is Rollins' house!
I'm up next. Yeah,
I'm
Mega
running
Man,
into
roll
bullets.
it to me.
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's okay.
I'm
Just
just
keep firing.
panicking.
Constantly fire.
Oh, yeah. You get 1 more point. That.
What's it the first two? First to 6?
7.
Okay. Is it you gotta win by 2 or just first to 7?
First to 7.
Just keep firing.
Oh
Shit!
Damn!
yes. Fuck yes.
Yeah.
Fuck, bitch!
I'm sorry.
Oh shit.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
I don't know if he's as good anymore. He was from UP.
Oh!
That's
No!
I don't like this now.
What we got here is a good old-fashioned cockfight.
Oh shit.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm busting up.
God damn it. God damn
I want a
it. Jesus.
fat cheeseburger. I don't want
Yo, lick on that cheeseburger!
No! I ran directly into that. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I know.
I just fired you off.
You
did good. You
You
probably had 3 of us.
I know.
good.
Wings, burgers, you haven't delivered
Oh,
yourself.
damn.
Yeah, fuck her right in the pussy.
Like, if you're gonna go for motherfucking burrito,
I want another.
No, damn!
Yeah!
Now, though.
oh,
Oh no, I say that.
We got a battle here.
It seems to usually happen.
how does this happen? I
God
get
damn it. God damn it.
4 to 6. Game point.
I'm so nervous.
Boom!
Hard
Boom!
Follow the
Boom!
stagecoach. Follow the stagecoach.
Oh! And
Okay.
your butts!
That was a lot better though than
I
my match.
don't like it.
Starts. This is for real now.
Okay.
Starts when you fire. Oh, move. Come on, Dave. Yeah, you did better than me. I got 1 point. I got 1 damn point on my own damn game. You did Versus your God.
That eyeball up there freaks me out.
Which one?
The one in like the rat's mouth.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
I started looking up at it and I was like, ah! I got distracted.
I got to put this up next.
Oh!
2 to 1.
Oh, my hand! My hand! Is it not fire?
There's a point in the
If you have the whole set,
Okay, shit, I was like, I'm not firing at all.
You have to aim.
I just wanted to. I don't care about the games. Order 3. 5 to 3. Ooh. Upset alert.
Oh!
6 to 3. Game
Beat
point.
us!
Uh-oh.
Beat us!
My hat's gone. Oh, my hat!
Got
Ah!
Ryan, me, you're up. Peter versus Ryan.
Oh!
Took my hat off.
He's already doing better than me. He's already got 1 point. Don't touch his ass.
Oh, damn. Ooh, snatch.
Oh! I hate to call it what it is.
Oh! Damn.
Oh. You hit me.
Get a head off. Oh, damn. What about the corner?
There you go. Playing Florida. Nice to meet you, Luke.
Oh! If that comes up now, I'm stabbing you with this.
Please believe me.
Oh, man.
Come on, Peter. You can.
Oh, took your hat off. Already? Oh! I don't like this game. Oh!
2 more. You hit me, man. You get 1 more point, you'll do better than. You're doing better than me, so don't worry about it.
Doing better than Team did.
Well, I only have 1 point, so mine don't come back. And I think it's worse though, because I have lost the game. So.
Yeah, you own the console.
Well, then I don't play it.
Oh,
Come back. Come back.
Score, oh, 3 to 5?
Yeah.
I got 2 shots
Well, it
on
was
Peter.
1 to 5.
I know, I saw.
World's greatest comebacks begins.
Luke, you're a great girl.
Oh, this is intense.
Oh.
Ooh, the suspense is terrible.
Oh,
Alright, game point.
It's getting.
Oh!
Held
Again,
out.
guys.
Held out.
Hell yeah, good job on both of you guys.
Held out.
Ready? Yep. Oh,
No,
damn, I walked
fuck.
into that. No.
Whew, that was close. Nice.
Oh, you son of a bitch!
And, you're planning to get to
God damn!
Yeah, find that game. Just pick whatever.
God! So... Shit. God damn! Fuck. At least let me hit you! Yeah, damn it! Yeah!
I didn't even see
Fuck,
that
you're
one.
flawless!
Look at the point.
Fuck, you're flawless!
Yeah, I was gonna fall somewhere.
God! I can die easily now.
Don't you die on me.
I went right to the flawless, damn it.
Good job.
Right. A little nervous. Let me know when you're ready. Move around, wiggle. Ready?
Holy shit. Okay, so far you two are the best at this. So this is a go for me. Shit.
Oh! What?
Fuck you! Get him in the corner.
Oh, there goes a hat!
Oh, yeah! Damn, this is gonna be close. Already. Shit.
Should've been shit round.
Oh, I ran right into that! I ran right into that shit! Nice. Shit. Alright. What did I go back?
I think these guys could kill me. I know this.
Shit. Damn, bro. Fuck.
No!
Fuck!
There's a hat!
Can we stop the game next one? Shooting gallery?
Ooh!
This
No! Sorry! I fell off.
Oh.
I can't move. I'm not used to how far, like. Still get used to that.
Hat though.
Oh my god.
Throw it, dude.
I have to play one of these guys next. This is gonna suck.
Fucking time.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh my god. guess that should be that one too. Oh, you got me.
Walk right into that.
Oh! Oh! Good game.
The game.
That was a nice little start. Draw, bitch!
Shit. At least my hat's ready.
Yours went right around me and mine went straight to you.
Dave.
That was like the worst thing that could have happened to you. Oh! Walked into it. Hey! Hey!
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. I don't care. I'm not ready. It's not my fault. Oh, wow! Thanks. Keeping me in check, Dave.
Damn it!
You saw that too. I was like, go for it.
There,
Go for it.
Dum 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 dum.
Shit. God damn it.
I ain't
I'm
going
not
out.
taking it around. God damn it! Fool! Hats off, Dave.
Way to go, Dave.
Walked right into that last one. Champion. That's what they give that one here.
Matt, you win. Next one is.